Hey everybody. Okay, so we're going to be on the last section of chapter 8, and that is fluid and motion. So I'm going to kind of show you my notes talking about the flow of water. Comes in two types of ways. Laminar, which is smooth stretches of the river, or turbulent is abrupt changes in the velocity, obstructions or sharp turns in the river. You have irregular motion of fluid called eddy currents that are characterized as turbulent flows. Ideal fluid is fluid that has no internal friction or viscosity and is incompressible. A fluid is compressible if the density of the fluid always remains constant. Viscosity is the amount of internal friction within a fluid. The higher the viscosity flow, the more slowly the fluid, and the lower viscosity. So, non-viscous means lose no kinetic energy due to friction. They flow. Principles of fluid flow. First of all, is continuous equation resulted from a mass conserved, and we have these formulas here, which continuous equation, which is area times speed of region 1 equals area and the speed of region 2. The second principle of fluid flow is the speed of a fluid flowing depending on the cross section of the area, and that is AV is the unit of volume per unit time flow rates. Number 3 has to do with the pressure of fluid that is related to the speed of the flow. I was talking about a leaf going in a pipe, and it would flow faster in the smaller or the narrow portion of the pipe. That's known as the Bernoulli's principle. That is the pressure of the fluid decreases if the fluid velocity increases. And then the last thing I asked you to do was, in your textbook, I wanted you to go, to page 289 into modeling bat flight. And I wanted you to read that. So what I did here is I just kind of like did a, looked at a bat's wing compared to us. And there was 2 questions. It says, describe the characteristics of a bat's wing that makes it especially adapted for flight, because there are many flexible joints and a thin flexible membrane for the flight. What do scientists hope to achieve by modeling by this bat flight? How about engineering? Well, the behavior and the features of the bat wing. Main goal of engineers is to use the modeling to improve the design of certain technologies such as drone wings. So this is the last part of this section, and so then today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday. This is the homework for Tuesday, and then Wednesday, of course, we're going to have the test. I went ahead and went through and graded the test that you did last chapter. And then what I did is I sent you back your grade along with returning your paper and giving you the answers so you can correct it. Those people that have not done it yet, you need to get on there. I think you have until the 10th to submit that, and I hope you have a great day.